Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's Andy Cvpi and welcome back to another video. This time, as you guys can clearly tell, I am currently at the car wash, and if you guys watched my last week's video, then many of you guys do already know how I cleaned it just a little. But as I promised to you guys that I was going to get a video in the March 14th, March 15th week, basically getting the whole entire car, detailing and cleaning the shit out of it. So ever since my video from last week ago, guys, I do want to say that my car has officially rained again. There was salt on the street, so basically the paint, obviously, and the car in general ended up getting really dirty. Got really dirty as hell, as you guys can tell right here. And I would end up lifting the garage up for this video, guys, but the only problem that I have with that is if I were to lift the car up, not the car, what am I saying? If I were to lift this garage up, guys, it's really windy, so you guys would barely hear me. That's my problem. But otherwise than that, I'm gonna give you a current little walk around right now, currently, guys, of how the whole entire car is when it's dirty as shit. Clearly, it is looking beyond dirty and really disgusting. And I can't wait to get this thing a whole entire detailing job and cleaning job. But as I do want to say also for my last week's video, guys, I did end up getting my other NMO antenna in the mail, and I did already install it on, so as you guys get a first look again, I do have one right there and the other one is on right here currently. But before I do get into that, I do want to say that this one was obviously a lot more bigger. This one ended up turning out to be bigger than that one actually, so the problem that I had with that concept was due to the fact that I had to shorten it. And many of these are just on Allen keys, so if you go right here, you get to unscrew them and pop them out and basically put in the exact size that you would want for your car or your whatever you want to do, your antenna size. You get to control that and you get to go from whatever you want to do with those. But otherwise than that, guys, I would end up putting on the head strap for this video and basically doing that, but I might just do that, guys, for the whole entire paste wax and basically using that for the whole entire engine detailing. I'm not gonna probably be doing an interior detail because as far as my interior, guys, it still is looking beyond clean and it's still looking pretty decently clean inside. But I am gonna basically try to get a video for you guys right now and clean the whole entire Crown Vic, the Cvpi, and eventually try to get the engine bay detailing and show you guys step by step, and then finally try to get a video for you guys and have the final whole entire little walk around from the front to the sides to the back and how everything got detailed. So hopefully you guys end up liking the video. So as you guys can tell, I am currently back from the car wash, and I do apologize truly once again that I did not have my head strap on me when I was currently at the car wash. And basically at the car wash, I was not able to wholly record it and make a whole entire video of me spraying it down. Not spraying it down, but basically cleaning it. But you guys already have saw me do that last week. But I do want to say overall, my Crown Victoria, it is looking beautiful and it is looking clean. So I am going to give you guys a whole entire walk around actually towards the end of the video. But as of now, I do want to say, just like I was supposed to do it in my last week's video, basically get the whole entire tire shine on and clean up the whole entire little side edges. I was not able to do that last week. Clearly you guys can tell right now there's no tire shine on them and obviously on the rim. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is basically try to go over here and pick up the sprays. I do apologize, my garage is messy as shit. I have my phone case right here because the head strap does not fit with the phone case on. I have all these little equipment and bull crap and old little stuff over here. But what I use for my engine detailing, guys, is this right here, is the inside and out. This right here is honestly the key. If you guys watch my video with the project Cvpi, this is seriously all you need to detail your whole entire engine bay and to make it sparkling and make it look brand new. What I'm gonna do now, guys, basically for now, is take this right here, this little bottle just full with water and soap, and I'm just gonna try to find a little paper towel, get the little paper towel and get right into cleaning the rims and get right away into basically cleaning the whole entire car and making the exterior look beautiful. But as far as paste wax, guys, I do not have enough time once again to make the whole entire paste wax video. But I'm not even gonna make a video on paste wax, guys, because many of you already know how to use paste wax and know that it's quite simple, and the fact that it's quite easy actually to basically obviously smear a couple paste wax side by side, go through it with the whole entire thing. But you gotta get the basic point of doing that, so I'm not gonna make a video on that. It's quite simple and it's common sense, so that's gonna take me like 3 to 4 hours and I do not have that much time. But I do want to say, guys, in my next week's video, it is gonna be probably a driving vlog, and basically I do have a lot to touch up with you guys about the whole entire project Cvpi and about my future ideas. And these future ideas are gonna be coming in really quick because it is getting to the end of March already, and it is also basically May's coming and summer's coming, and that means my school is gonna basically be out and my work isn't gonna be as backed up and busy. So I promise you guys, the videos that you guys will be seeing are gonna be amazing and everything's gonna seem beautiful and everything is gonna be and pay off once again. And that is a promise, guys, and I most likely will be buying another Project Cvpi den, and I can't wait to show you guys another whole entire walk around and way more videos on basically when I get the Project Cvpi and how I restore and how I do everything step by step. But otherwise than that, guys, I'm currently going to go ahead, find a paper towel, and basically this next clip is going to be fast forward of me cleaning the whole entire steelies, rims, and around. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, guys, I was gonna end up showing you the clip how I put on the whole entire tire shine. As you guys can clearly tell, just soap and water on the steelies makes it look absolutely beautiful. I mean, my car is already looking beautiful, but I did finally want to put on the tire shine just because I have not put on any tire shine on it in a good 2 months. So the sad news is that I do have the tire shine. It's right here. I did find the tire shine, but I can't find the sponge for it, and without that sponge there's not really much I can do. So my next step, what I'm gonna have to basically do is grab the paper towel again. I have another one right there, and basically start detailing the engine bay. So right now, guys, just like I mentioned to you, all I use is this, and all I use is a paper towel, and basically go from there. So this clip is gonna be with that, and if I find the tire shine, then I'm gonna throw the tire shine little footage in here as well. But if I can't find the tire shine, guys, it is what it is. I'm basically get right away to a parking lot and give a whole walk around and start ending the video from there.